So Tracy, tell me a little bit about yourself and what you do, and tell me about Abode.
Okay, so Abode, we're a property management company. That's primarily what we do. And we have been established now for 7 years. There's myself and Charlotte.
Wow,
we met.
that's gone fast.
Yeah.
Because I remember meeting you when I first started about 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah,
so it has flown by, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, Charlotte and I met when I was working for letting agents many moons ago, and she was buying properties and we kind of worked together with me managing her properties. I worked for an agent that wasn't very good. They no longer exist, obviously.
Many don't.
Yeah, and Charlotte and I became friends and established a company, like say 7 years ago now, and it's just grown strength to strength year on year.
Fantastic. So Tracy, tell me about the main focus of your business at Abode.
Our main focus is to provide the ultimate property management experience, and that's mainly customer service, and that's to both our clients as landlords and our tenants. You know, we care about them both equally.
I find it's always a very precarious situation to sit and being a letting agent, because you technically are working for a landlord, but you are managing ultimately a tenant.
Yeah,
and it's quite balanced to get right.
Yeah, there's a fine line between, you know, what a tenant deems to be acceptable and a landlord saying, well, I don't want to pay for a new boiler. It's worked for 20 years. Unfortunately, it no longer works and you have to do it, you know, so you've got to be fair to tenants in situations like that.
You must have to have great mediation skills.
Absolutely, yeah, and guide landlords into what is necessary. And then on the other hand, you've got tenants who think things are necessary and they're not. So unacceptable, can we come and change a light bulb? No. You know, behave in a tenant-like manner and change your own light bulbs, please.
Wonderful.